What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in today's short video I'm going to show you how you can easily get ChatGPT to create you awesome YouTube thumbnails that can potentially get you more views, more watch time, and potentially help you just get more subscribers and growth on your YouTube channel. I've been using this strategy for a few days now on both of my YouTube channels, and here's just some of the results of the kinds of thumbnails that ChatGPT has been creating for me based on the prompt that I'm going to be showing you. And these are just absolutely stunning. And if we compare that to my old thumbnail game, if you can even call it that, I mean, this is awful. I don't know how else to say it. My YouTube thumbnail game is just horrendous, to say the least. I mean, here's another one right here, and I'm actually going to be showing you how this one is going to become so much better after the ChatGPT improvement. But the point being is, you don't need to be an amazing creator. I mean, you can still do it if you want to, but with ChatGPT, you can really speed up the process of creating awesome YouTube thumbnails. So let me show you how this looks. Let's say you take a video like this, or you have a brand new video that you're creating to upload on YouTube, and you need to have an awesome thumbnail. Thumbnails are a game changer for people because thumbnails can often be what makes the video potentially do well or not do well at all. So what you do is you head over to ChatGPT, which is what I'm going to show you right now, and all you do is you type in this very simple prompt, which I will leave below this video. It says, "Hey there, I have a YouTube video on this topic," and the topic in this case is Lake Crescent Olympic National Park Scenic Drive, which is what the context of the video is about. The video just shows a drive through the area and its beauty. Can you make me an amazing thumbnail that I can use for this video? And this is what it created, and frankly, I think it's amazing. Now, here's the other thing. If we go back to my video here, you'll notice this picture here. This is actually a real picture that I took when I was driving through the area. So what I actually did was I said, I love this, but here is that reference video, and let's do this. Same type of thumbnail, but let's change the image. I've included a reference photo to use. And here it is. It's pretty much the exact same thing. So I get to choose now between this one and this one. I mean, frankly, I think they're both amazing. I actually think this one is better. So I'm going to download this, and once I download it, I'm going to upload it to my existing YouTube video. If you have a new one, this is where you're going. Obviously, when you upload the video, that's where you'll add it. But I'll just go down here where it says thumbnail, select change, and I will click on this, and that will improve this. Now, it went from this horrendous thumbnail. You can see the before and after, so you tell me which one you think is better. Here's the before, which is, I don't even want to look at it anymore. It just makes me nauseous. And then you have this beauty on the right over here. That's all it takes. It's really, really simple. And just if you have existing YouTube videos that don't have the best thumbnails, start doing this, because this can potentially get you a lot more views and growth on your channel. I'm seeing that in my particular case, not just with the thumbnail and the improvement of the quality and the look of my videos, because the thumbnail is the seller for that, but also using the same kind of prompt as I showed in the previous video about how to do the same thing with your YouTube title and description. So try it out. I'd love to know the results that you get with this, and if you have any questions, let me know. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.